touch feet.
Big yawn.
Yeah. You holding your baby sissy? Lexi's baby sister. Good.
Grandma's making a picture of you with your baby.
Yay. Are you holding your sister? Is it Sissy Allie?
Do you see her feet?
Look. Their feet. Are they funny looking feet?
Oh, that's wonderful. She's got some feet, don't she?
Are they funny feet?
Pretty baby feet.
Are they little?
Pretty baby feet.
Little feet. Look, she has bracelets on her feet. See? Got bracelets on her feet. What do you think? Little tiny toenails. Toenails. Good. Good girl, Lexi. You want down? Okay. Where's your stickers? All done, baby?